Hi, I'm Ciliann. Welcome to my art channel. In this video I show you how to paint a pomegranate in oil color. Enjoy! So here's a fruit that's just coming into season, a pomegranate. In the US, it grows from September to December. So right in time. And I'm using this method of putting down small amounts of paint in different areas and blending very lightly on top with darker or lighter color depending on if it's the light or the shadow. So here are some interesting things to know about pomegranates. They're grown throughout the Middle East, North Africa, South Asia, Central Asia, some parts of Arizona and California, and they grow well in hot and dry climates. They actually belong to the berry family, and they are a superfruit, which means that they're really good for you. So try to find a way to eat them or drink them, either by the spoonful, or on top of a salad, or in a drink. Many ways to eat this delicious fruit. And the tree can live for over 200 years, and a single pomegranate can hold more than 1,000 seeds. And if you're wondering what's the best way to get those seeds out of the fruit, well, that's a subject of much debate. If it's better to cut it in half at the equator and just bang out each side with a wooden spoon, or if it's better to sort of cut just until where the seeds start, all around in different longitudes, and gently pry it open and cause the seeds to very carefully and gently fall out using the minesweeper method, which is you pull one at a time until you get a whole bunch to fall out together. So I prefer the latter method because it keeps the seeds more intact instead of all the juice running all over the place. But it depends what you're using it for, whichever way works better for you. And here we have that little star crown on top, and some white dots here and there. And they do come in different shades of red and pink. And depending which part of the season it is, how big it is, the ones that are earlier in the season have a darker color, and they tend to be more tart, and they're smaller. And the ones that were left on the tree for longer are bigger, and the color is more diluted. So the word pomegranate actually means apple with many seeds, because well, I guess in French it's an apple, or Latin, whatever it is, and granatum means seeded. And you can store a pomegranate up to 2 months in the fridge, so no need to worry if you buy one and you don't use it for a while. And here you see one that I've cut open just to show you the inside of that star area. And here we have that bitter pith that holds all those, what they look like, rubies. And if you cut open a pomegranate and it looks like someone's been there to visit, you'll notice right away and it's not appetizing, and you should not eat it. But usually that happens in sections, and you can see on the outside if it has a hole or it looks like some strange dark area or punctured area, and it's best to avoid that one. We'll look for ones that are totally blemish free on the outside. But if you did happen to get one that had some visitor there, sometimes one section will be affected and the rest of it not, so you could always check around to see if any part of it is salvageable. And these seeds grow in clusters that sometimes if you just knock a few, then a whole bunch will come together, which is the way my minesweeper method of getting them out. So we see these shiny bright red seeds, and put a little bit of dark color for the very shiny areas that look almost blackish red, and then you have the whitish, the highlighted areas of these wet seeds. Actually, I think they're called arils. Anyway, this one looks very inviting. If you're enjoying this video, click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And we paint different fruits and vegetables, and sometimes we even get some information about them. So if you're interested, there's other ones on my channel. All the inside of this is looking rather full, and we'll give it a nice shadow so that it looks a little bit more three-dimensional. And that crown part is actually the part that is not attached to the branch. It's the other end that is. And here's a few leaves. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and have a great day. Enjoy your pomegranates.